my name is David, and today we are going to unbox this Lamborghini toy car. And now I'm going to open it, the box. We open it, and now I'm going to pull the car. This is the car's remote. So, this is the car. This is the battery compartment. And I think we have to keep batteries in the